Yeah, people, current situation, Moya Bridge. Nothing can pass. Water passou. Get up from my bed. Or I'll make fast sleep. And lots of things like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, like the tree on the fall along the cliff. And even come the mother got more rain falling. Yeah, people, Moya Bridge. So anybody coming from Grenville to Fertez, blockage, Moya Bridge, overflow, no transportation can pass. So Moya Bridge overflowed. See? So people share everything. And from the traffic. Huh? You know, drum here. Can't drum there? The buffet? Oh! King Sabogo? Out to Congo, Tunnel Road, rail water. It's been a while since Moya overflowed like that. What, how good me in a fasting? I know how fast it. I get up from my bed. That's in Moya Bridge. Moya St. Andrews people. Telling you, real water, man. It's been a while. Up the flood too. Congo tongue flood. You see what water coming on Congo tongue there?
Well, everywhere.
They might have to go up and go blaze and come down Parkway. They will just take you long. Yeah. What's up, boy? No, they can't pass.
Yes, yes.
Hi, Father. Morning, Father.
Yes.
Father, you can't go up high, you know.
I know, I'm just
Unless if you want to swim.
I will I survive it?
Yes, love, I'll be careful.
I have always heard about this bridge flooding.
Yeah.
This is my first time of seeing it.
Yeah, that's the first time in about, I think, roughly 3 years. Yeah. First time in roughly 3 years. Woo! Alright, watch come on, with your overflow too.
Yes.
No vehicle can pass there either.
No.
What little bit tongue dry? Something has to be wrong if tongue dry. I say this rain fall in island, why do? Well, plenty rain in country. From since yesterday, it's been raining in country. Yeah. Damn, look at water, people. Williams, I can't swim, man. I'm going to drown now. I can't even swim to save my life.
You're tall strong, right?
Yeah. Me go there, me get out of going there.
And then you on your back, and then you jump your feet and come back.
No. I can't make that. I can't swim to save my life.
Neither can I.
Only thing I could do is float, and I definitely can float in that water.
I don't say no back up. And then you want to take me away.
Wow. Yeah. Hey, but I'm going to TikTok you too. Yes, girl. Well, if you watch it good, like Mr. King shop will go, because water is all in the back there. Well, watch the bakery, the water almost between the bakery pillar, you know, up to the bakery pillar. You have to be careful about the slide on the island heavy as the later already. Oh my gosh! But it's slow down, Aliko. Yeah, because here had more water. Slow down. I told the priest to swim. You want me to go along there, yeah? The water slowing down. Slowing down a little. Yes, Ariel, that's no. But the bakery, they're looking out already, you know. Have to be careful.
Yeah, swim. But put some money on the back, let it stand up.
Miguel, I can't swim. Huh? Miguel! We're going on the side there? That's a bank there? Yes, yeah, you choose. Yeah, you go going through too now. It's a bank right in front here. But yeah, I don't even wash my face. I don't brush my. I'm really, really fast, you know. You're coming back? I hear you.
And if you fall and you can't swim, I'm going only 6 people watching. What's it now?
Yes, Ruben, this is fun now. I don't like the headways song already. Maybe I might just do a damn headways, you know. I'm just kidding.
Headways, what?
Woo.
I'm falling down there.
Well, tongue is different, you know. I don't know tongue because there is sometimes it has been raining heavily in St. George's and no rain in country. But tell yourself, when it's raining in country, look out for rivers to be overflowed and stuff.
He said it's over rain. Yeah, rain. No sign of rain. Let me ask you, if any about it ain't tongue, just tell me. I still want to go.
Just meet this little girl, yeah, she give me trouble.
If anybody want to go in tongue right now, I want to go. So, tell me from rain, no.
Marcus, at the end of live, your cousin say good morning. He says good morning too. I can't believe the bus trying to get there. That bus not be right here. They look for me bed, you know.
I'm like to go to bed.
No work today.
Hey, I say work thank God I have to work this morning. Eh?
No work today, fella. No work. Oh yeah, currently.
Yeah, girl, long time. Long time. How you doing, my friend? For the Christmas shaping up by your side? I know the priest want to go back in church. Tell the priest, he may just have to just swim across, you know. Oh my! Now your father can calm the flood right now. It's the Almighty who has to calm the flood. That's father. You tell me about Marcus and the umbrella, girl. Where is he gone? Hey! Good morning, Ruth. I already told the priest to do that, and the priest was like, I can't swim. I can't even go across there. That's happening at Moya St. Andrews. Who's calling? Let me see who's calling. Let me just think.
Wifey red heart ring.
Morning. So you're freezing and I'm in the water. Sandy, you call me from the bed and tell me where I'm overflowing. Okay, so guys, so vehicle is passing now because the water just went down a little.
Wifey red heart ring.
That is a mother that you want to wash out. Problems, yes.
The mud washing at the side.
Inside there, yeah. Yes, your wife. You call your wife in your home. Yeah. She's just too damn disagreeable, man. So them trucks and them, they're taking a chance and they're passing. Well, the water kind of slow down a little, you know. The trucks and stuff to pass now. Yes, Pierre, they have to do something. They have to do something, you know, because like every time it's raining heavily like that, that always happening. And you see this mud, this part there, I find it's going down. And if that part, if this piece go down, then the bus shed is in a real problem. So they really need to work on that. They really, really need to work on it. All up through Congo Town, flooded out. Well, the water went down a lot. So you see the road look a little clear now. Charlie, the big bad Charlie crossing. Watch me. He's like running for his life. It went down a lot. So as you guys can see, it really, really went down plenty. But if it continue raining, tell yourself. Huh? So it really died down now, so vehicles can pass. Vehicles can pass now. The only thing, Father can't go across there yet, because you see Father gets still flooded. Yeah, the range is doing still. You're going to catch cold in a girl. Ah! I'm afraid the rain, I'm afraid the cold. Yeah, man, you're going through the nice, man. Let's go across the road on. Hey, man. You come when the water go up. Okay. A long time we don't get some water like that. You can go to the road clear up a lot. Police are also on the scene. Big bad police and them over there. And one over so black now. So we got more rain on the way. See all the vehicles. The vehicles starting to come through now. Yeah, you know the car you wanna pass in? Ah. But you almost go, you don't know that? My sister, she just touched down. So the vehicles, they can pass now. They still have to be very careful. It went down a lot.
Look, them garbage man and them have to put right close to me now.
So people, I'm gonna get out the live now.
You see them walking?
Because them people calling for the umbrella to go to work, so. I hope you guys have a safe day. And remember it's raining, so everyone walk with the umbrella. Be safe, okay guys? Have a blessed day.
Democrat. Right here this morning. Watch, and that was slide more, you know. Yeah, when I put up that one time. Yeah, look at the river down there, again the river down there. Watch out, watch you from boy.
What? Yes,
Watch. Daddy better let me tell me you're gonna make the whole thing go back over there, you know. Watch, and the head on under mine area. Careful how you're walking on that road there. I come in, let me go and put a phone there. Eh? All the outside the slide out too.
There's a cockroach. Oh, look all of this. This is not a joking matter. Water for soap.